Welcome back. To proceed with the task now, we are going to do question number 12. So, in the previous video, we ended on question number 11, which required an index match function. So, question number 12 requires an index match function as well. I hope you have tried to do this on your own. I suppose the idea is the same. Here we are displaying the weight in grams. Here we are just displaying the cost for the metal. So, which means we are replacing where we are searching for the metal in grams. We are just going to search for the costs. So it means given the code, the chain code, and the length, the intersection of the two values should be the cost that we are looking for. So, in the same vein, we are going to use the same formula. So, we're going to say equals to index. So, index will ask you, what are you searching for? I'm searching for the cost of metal. So, cost of metal. So these are the costs. So the cost I'm going up to this R42. So that's the cost. So I'm just going to lock this range, make it absolute, then comma. Now I'm going to consider the row for the intersection. So which row are we going to use? So remember we said our rows are the centimeters, isn't it? The length. So I'll use the match function to make it dynamic. So match lookup value. So we are using the length in centimeters, comma, lookup array. So lookup array, which is the array that carries the centimeters, isn't it? So I'm in the cost area. So what I will use, I'll select this range from B31 to B42. So that range, I'll also lock the range, make it absolute, then comma. I need an exact value there. Then I will close my match, first match, then comma. So I've done the row. I'm now moving on to the column. So for the column, I also do another match function as well. So match function, lookup value. For the columns, we say we are using the chain code. So chain code, comma, lookup array. In which array do we find the chain codes? So our chain codes are which array? So the chain codes, we find them in this array up to this point, and I'm going to make that absolute again, then comma, then I'll find the exact match. So I close my match function, I close my index function, press enter. So that's the value. So a value that intersects with PC3 and 45 should be this. So if I make any change here, the values should be changing appropriately. So I hope you are getting the idea. So this is so dynamic. Now, moving on to the next part now. The next part is we are going to look at apply appropriate formatting to column B of this worksheet. So this worksheet, remember the weight, we are told every weight should be formatted as a number in 3 decimal places. Every currency should be formatted as a dollar in 2 decimal places. So that's the currency. So the formatting, so easy marks for formatting there. Now you're asked to create a new word processed document. Save this document in rich text format with the file name evidence. So it's just a matter of creating an evidence document, a Word document, then you save as required. Now you're asked to use this spreadsheet, placing screenshots of both the data entered and the results in your evidence document. Use the following data. So what evidence are we required to do? You are asked to do a screenshot of this part. So you do the screenshot after you have made a change. So the first change that you do here is you place a chain code called SE3. So we need a chain code called SE3, and we need the centimeters to be 63. So you take this screenshot showing that this is a silver with this weight, with this cost. So we go on to do the same to the next one, which is GC2. So GC2, this is a gold. And in terms of centimeters, it's supposed to be 50. So you take a screenshot, the second screenshot of this part, this whole table, paste it in your evidence document. Move on to the next one. Change the price of the gold. Change the price of gold to $1,900 per ounce. Model the spreadsheet with a chain code of GC2 and a chain code of GC2 and a chain length of 50 centimeters. So we are asked to change the price of gold. So this price of gold, we find it in this main spreadsheet. So the price of gold is being changed here to 1,900. So we are checking if your work is dynamic, isn't it? Your values should be changing appropriately. Then when we have changed that value, we need to have GC2 50 centimeters. So GC2 50 centimeters, you take a screenshot again because there is a change in the price of gold, so the price is changed as well. So that's the required task. So let's see what else needs to be done. So that's it. Place screenshots. So the screenshots we have done. So this was an interesting paper. So I hope you'll be able to redo all the tasks. You'll be able to do the task on your own. You'll be able to follow through the video. If there's any challenges, any queries, you can type that in the comment section. Thank you so much. We meet in the next video.